All right, everybody, how's it going today? Basically, I want to talk about what is the best first mod you could do for your J series platform. Let me just crack the hood open and I'll talk about it with y'all. All right, so now with the hood open, we can look at what I got going on for an intake setup. And yes, I think the first mod you should do engine-wise to your J series is get yourself a nice intake. Having this setup greatly improved responsiveness and low-end torque for my 03 Acura CL. So basically, to give you the details of what I got going on here, this is a 3-inch intake pipe from a tube kit that you can buy online. Specifically, I have the Air Aid tube kit that I was able to cut up. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check it out for yourself. Now, I see a lot of people with 3rd gen TLs go with 4-inch intakes as well. You know, do some research and see what'll best fit your setup. I went with a 3-inch intake because I have a full 3-inch exhaust system as well. Now, of course, going with a setup like this, you will have to buy all your own fittings and clamps and filter and such like that. Before this, I had an AEM cold air intake, which you might think would be better because this isn't really a cold air intake. This is more of a short ram. But I think there is a wide misconception out there that this setup will pull in a lot of hot air and actually hinder your engine, because I have greatly improved my car with this setup and not for that much money either. I think the whole thing with the intake pipe and the filter probably cost me anywhere from $300 to $400. And I want to talk about the filter a little bit more. You might be able to see in there that there is actually a velocity stack in there and then a vibrant filter as well. There's some good science behind using a velocity stack, and I don't really see a reason not to if you can fit it in your car. And also, it makes some really cool noises. But yeah, guys, I think for the price of building your own custom intake compared to anything else, this is literally the first mod you should do to your J series platform if you want some more fun, some more response, some more low-end power, some more noise. Guys, get yourself an intake, honestly, of any kind, but take a look at some intake tube kits, and I promise you will not be disappointed. Guys, if you like videos like this, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave some video suggestions down below. I would love to share some knowledge with you guys. I would love to learn some things from you guys. All right, y'all, before I go, I'm going to give y'all a few intake little blip clips so y'all can actually see what this setup sounds like. But for now, guys, have a great day and peace out.